yesterday. There are 5 points which you need to address in your introduction. Good morning, everyone. Greetings of the day. Second is it's a proverbial topic. You have to name yourself, you have to tell about the topic, and then you have to give pointers in that. Like, what is your take, which meaning you decide. Fourth is your viewpoint related to this topic. And fifth is you open the house. As it was discussed yesterday, just follow the same footsteps. Fine. 1 more minute. Just write down your pointers.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I'm glad to start the conversation on the topic that is straight roads do not make a skillful driver. I believe that skills are attained by working hard and smartly. Though everyone should have to go through the process of learning, hardcore learning, when he has to attain some skills, and that is not so smooth. This is not a smooth process. Uh, every successful man has gone through a process of learning very hardly. They haven't got it smoothly. So I would like to channelize the flow, and I want to open the debate and discussion for all of you.
Yes, Praveen. Easy routes can rarely make successful people. We saw many struggle stories of cricketers, Bollywood stars, politicians, and many other personalities from the different fields. They have left soft and easy roads for the rocky roads to climb ladder of the success in their life.
Yes, I agree with Shilpa that practice and right strategy is required. We must schedule our plan accordingly in a proper way, and we must engage ourselves in the meaningful activities. To gain success in every field, planning is important, and we must plan our schedule accordingly.
Rightly said, Danish. I also believe that the success is not achieved overnight. Like to achieve success, we have to go through many stages, go through many ups and downs in our life, and these ups and downs will definitely help us to learn greater skill, which will help us to go nearer to our goal pretty fast, I guess.
Yes, yes, Yash, I agree with you. Now, uh, we know that what is a skillful driver, like what is success and how it is achieved. But apart from that, can we talk about what are the basic aspects of a skillful driver? If anyone can, then please.
Yeah, there are various aspects of a skillful driver. There can be a person should be such that he should not be turned down by such problems in their life. He should not be taken back. He should only focus on their goals and should only move forward. And he has to learn from every mistakes he made. That will make him a very much skillful driver.
Yes, I agree with that. The topic for easy straight roads do not make a skillful driver. For example, if you take any competitive exam, a easy exam can't screen a potential candidate in the in our life. And also, we in our life we face many ups and downs and many problems. These problems in our life make the person ready for move and to ready for the to to achieve the big goals in their life. Take Karna as an example in Mahabharata. In his life, from from his birth, also he faced many problems to become a skillful archery in his life, and he had the confidence to beat the Arjuna, who is who is the student of Dronacharya. That one point.
Yes,
Yeah,
Prashant, this proverb can be applied in many contexts, such as careers, skills, and life in general. I would highlight here one example of a famous businessman, that is Dhirubhai Ambani, who started from nothing and founded Reliance Industries. Reliance is the first Indian company to feature in Forbes 500 list. So he could make that possible only he left his job as a gas station attendant and choose a path with lots of struggles.
yeah. In life, we have to face so many struggles. Apart from struggles, apart from business, we have so many in sports also. Suppose take an example of Dhoni. He has faced so many financial problems and so many health problems uh, to the journey on to the journey of success to the successful player in the world match. There are so many health related issues and we have to overcome all of the obstacles when we have to pass on when we have to cross all of the obstacles in our pathways and we have to achieve the success in any field in any relevant fields, I think. Yeah. And we have, yeah.
Yes,
Yes, I
great
agree with
example.
Sunny that behind every successful man there are a lot of failures, and we just does not count how much failure he has faced in his life. Therefore, it is very important to achieve something. We have to try something different, and with the help of this, we gain experience, which ultimately leads to the success.
Yeah, failure. You have to, okay, failure is the stepping stone to success. Like whenever there is a failure, we have to overcome that fear of failure and achieve the success in our way. In by
Yes,
following the
Sun.
Rightly said,
strategy path.
Sunny.
Uh, I agree
We
with
should
you.
always embrace our failure. Like, we also had been through our childhood, right? When we first time learned to ride a cycle, it's not like we fall many times, but we learn to get up and ride the cycle again to achieve our goal. So from the beginning, we have the instinct of embrace the failure and move toward the goal, I believe.
Yeah.
Yes, well
Yes,
said, Jayesh. But I would here like to add some new dimension to this topic. In my opinion, all scientific inventions would not be possible if our scientists had not chosen the path of innovation. We know the example of innovation of bulb by Thomas Edison. He did around 1200 experiments to reach and to found the electricity. So the easy roads cannot make skillful drivers, but he chose rocky roads, challenging and with lots of struggles. So the scientists are always with new path.
yes,
Yes,
Shilpa, I completely agree with you, and I would like to add one more point that a skillful driver sometimes make a straight road for the coming generation. Like scientist has
Yes.
invented many robotics devices, AI, which makes and give a comfortability to the coming generation and the human race.
Yes,
yes,
Praveen.
Yeah.
Praveen, I agree with you. Now, like we know that a skillful driver has to overcome all the challenges upcoming in their own path. But don't you think that as humans, we have also breaking limits? Like whenever we face continuous streaks of rejection, and in that situation, how do we handle that as a human beings? Like we are not machines, right? So there is no guarantee of getting success all the time. So how do we motivate in those situations? Like
As
Yes,
it's not
yes,
Kaustav,
always possible
as you
for
have
a
questioned
human.
me, I want to add that as we are sitting on a chair, it is invented by someone. So it gives us a compatibility and we don't have to think about sitting. And as we are talking on the laptops or mobiles, and we are conversating easily within a whole country wherever we should be. So these are the compatibility which a skillful mat made for us, a straight path where we can intro with each other.
Yes, I
Uh,
would like to add to Pravin's point that if we make some efforts for excelling ourselves, there is at least possibility of getting success. But if we thought that we will not get success after struggling a lot, then we will not start, and there is definitely we will not reach to the destination or the success we have dreamt about it.
Right.
Rightly said,
I agree
Shilpa.
with that.
As you pointed out that uh, you should be always focus on goals. I think that is very important for us, because if you only focus on success, and if we focus only on problems, and we if we just lose our hope to get ever to a success, then the path we have been through the whole process will be like just a waste for us. In fact, it will not be a waste, but we will learn from it a lot. But if we are really close to achieving a success, and if you leave it in that moment only, then it will not be very fruitful for us.
Yes, I agree with that. I want to add one point. Taking an example of a movie like Dangal. In that movie, the player named Geeta, who learned the game strategies from his father, who was very rude to his uh, rude to his daughters. But after that, she joined the academy. Her coach was training her in a smooth way, so that she thinks that the game was that easy. The later he again meet her father and defeat his father, but later on that she will again face the same problems. So that in this we can take an example that smooth straight roads do not make a skillful driver.
Yes, I totally agree with the Prashant. Like
Yeah,
uncertainty is there in every part of the life, and what makes the person skillful is that what he achieved during that goals and the failures, the experience which we got from the failures is the learning which we get from the success. That's the important thing.
yeah, yeah. Agree
Yes,
with
rightly said,
Danish.
Danish.
Danish. Yeah,
If we look around, there are various examples for us. Like if Elon Musk had so many failures, like if you see Starship, if he encountered so many failures in the Starship, but he never tried to look behind, never tried to stop, and at last he reached his success. I mean, means the abilities that the starships have, like
yeah,
it was just a dream back then.
Yes,
Yes, Yash,
Jayesh, you have put a
completely
good
agree with you.
example. I would also like to add one more example here. You might know the story of Bengaluru's Ramesh Babu, who is famously known as the billionaire barber, who started as a barber uh, and buy a one car with one car he started car rental business, and now he owns more than 200 cars of the famous brands such as Rolls-Royce, Range Rovers, Mercedes, Maybach, and many more. So if he couldn't have left that job of barber, then he couldn't have reached to today's success.
Yes, but that's a very inspiring story. I had also read that.
yes, yes. As we have to face so many, as Silpa said that we have to, for a successful businessman, we have to start from zero to advanced level. We have to like from basics to basic foundation to advanced level. And from politics, there are so many factors that can be taken into consideration, uh, like issues, crime. Uh, by going on a straight roads, we have to face so many crimes, accidents. There are so many accidents happen on the uh, when we are going on a when you're going in our life, we have to face so many challenges and opportunities like that, and we have to overcome the challenges and convert it into opportunities and convert the failures into successes and move forward to achieve the success.
I totally agree with Sunny that I want to make point out the example of the famous footballer now is playing in the Portugal team. From road sweeper to the richest athlete and the legends in the football, Ronaldo, that resources are available to everyone, but who make the best use of the talent and hard work in the proper way will lead him to success. And this is the most best example that how he achieved something in his life. It cannot be done by the people who have everything in their life. Therefore, it is very important that we must do hard work in the proper way and recognize our talent.
Yes, Danish.
Rightly said,
I
Danish.
would like
I would
to.
like to take the opportunity to conclude the discussion. Friends, we had a smooth discussion
Uh,
and we could reach the consensus. And
Jayesh,
yes,
ma'am hasn't asked for the conclusion.
Yeah, the time is up. One by one,
Time
I'll
is
be
up.
calling the
okay,
names
okay.
for the conclusion. Okay.
No,
So the
I'm new,
conclusion
na, so
will be
sorry.
no worries, no worries. The
So
conclusion will be
actually, I
very
wanted to add one more point. That's why.
Okay, okay.
so the time is already up, everyone. No more points addition will be there. Okay. So
Okay.
let's start with the conclusion and I'll provide you the feedback. Though the best person till now, I would say very casually that I have seen good performance by Jayesh today. Jayesh has done wonderfully good today. His amount
Thank
of
you.
participation and content was good. Okay. Shilpa also tried to give counter examples. So again, Shilpa's performance was good. And Praveen, yesterday was much better than today, I would say that. Because I saw that it will be improving, but it was all static. You need to see it out. Are you guys improving in a run or it is decreasing or it is static? It was static for Praveen. Costa, yeah, better than yesterday, I would say that, right? Sunny, you spoke something. Sunny left it out, right? No worries. Danish, it's your first one. So your content was not much matching at the very start. When you started with your content now, at the very start, I would say it out, that you gave a content that was, I think, let me read it out, schedule planning and all that. That is not important. That's not coming the exact liners. So that is a digression in the content, right? Later on, you started with the footballer and everyone. That was apt content, but at the starting, your content was not very good according to the topic. Okay. And Prasant, I need more of the participation from you. Your participation is very less.
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
one by one, I'll go with the conclusion. I'll hear the conclusion and then I'll provide you the feedback on your chat boxes. Okay. So that it's not about demeaning someone. You can have your exact feedback on your chat boxes. Okay, Kostov, go ahead with your conclusion first.
Okay, everyone. I think we had a great discussion. I think we could reach to a consensus and we can agree to a few things that we have had some examples of MS Dhoni, um, and as Prashant has said, the example from Mahabharata, or as Jayesh has said from like how Elon Musk could really develop apart his own company apart from every challenge he has faced. Like every successful or a skillful driver has a few uh, aspect in themselves. One of which is decision making skills. It is also important to have patience in order to achieve success, and they could always get lots and lots of more experience, and they could, like, they did not take their challenges in a pessimistic way, and they tried to move forward in apart from every obstacles that they have faced. And we had a great discussion, everyone. Thank you.
Okay, so Kostov has done it out. So Kostov, your feedback has been sent to you on your chat box. Now it is the time for Shilpa.
Okay, friends, on the behalf of everyone, I would like to conclude this discussion. We all unanimously agree to the proverb that soft, straight roads do not make skillful drivers. We put lot of examples for proving this proverb from uh, Dhirubhai Ambani to cricket players like MS Dhoni, and we also discussed on this that this proverb is applied in many contexts in our life, in our personal life, careers, and everywhere. It was a fruitful discussion. Thank you.
Yeah, Shilpa, go ahead.
Okay, friends, on the behalf of everyone, I would like to conclude this discussion. We all unanimously agreed to the proverb that straight roads do not make skillful drivers. For that, we have discussed many examples from Dhirubhai Ambani to uh, Ramesh Babu, who is a billionaire barber. Also we talked about the cricket players and the footballers. We also give the context to which this proverb is applied in our personal life, careers, and is excelling our skills. So overall, it was a fruitful discussion. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. So, see, Shilpa's performance was much better than yesterday, and I would say till the days she has performed, it was quite better. Examples were very apt. So, her performances eventually improved, I would say that. So, Shilpa, your way of speaking, your examples addition, and your that the way you counter others, it's going good. But just I told you one more thing. Try to be now cherry on the cake, like adding some of the headers in your way and using some facial expressions, hand gestures that can actually help you evolve better personality. So that is only touch that is required in you. Okay, next I would go for Danish.
Uh, okay, everyone. Now we can conclude the topic of today's duty. That is, straight roads do not make a skillful driver. We must know that in the every phase of life, we must keep on learning the new things that will enhance our learning, and that the skills we must acquire in the every work, we must keep learning through it. Thank you.
Okay, so it was your first one, Danish, and there were lots of mistakes, though you have committed it out, right? So I would say it out that there were some mistakes. And on the first basis, I cannot judge you much. But yes, on the basis of digression, the choice of content you make and everything, that improvement is needed. So just practice every day, right? And we have this documentation already ready, and whatever the GDs we have done, try to see that documentation from website. You can read it out. Okay, so it was the second day of proverbial. Maybe you were not able to do with that better. How much you could actually do it out because you have good way of speaking. So you can actually evolve better, but just practice more. Okay. Next, I would go for Prasant.
Okay, friends, I got the opportunity to conclude the discussion. Today we have good discussion and could reach the consensus. Some of our members tell about the personalities, MS Dhoni, Dhirubhai Ambani, and lending cycle. The, several examples were given for this for the topic, and also Thomas Alva Edison. And failures are stepping stones to success. So we have discussed a lot of examples in this discussion, and in my point of view, I think the failures. I agree with that statement that the failures are the stepping stones to success. Failure will make the person better in achieving their goal and to uh, and to face the problems in their lives. So I think I will conclude the topic.
Okay. So Prasant, I've given you the feedback over there only, right? Next, I would go for Sunny.
Yes, ma'am. We had a great discussion. We have discussed so many examples in the discussion, like in Mahabharata, Karna and Karna related, and Dhoni, Dhirubhai Ambani. So many examples are taken that in this discussion, and we have discussed about how to convert failures into success. We have to we have to face so many obstacles in our life, and we have to. There are so many internal and external factors like taken into account on our way to success, and obstacles come on our path. We have to cross that obstacles and move in a smooth manner, and uh, we have to overcome the challenges, and we have to convert the challenges into opportunities. Uh, Move forward in our journey. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, right. Next, I would go for Jayesh.
Uh, I would like to take the opportunity to conclude the discussion. I guess we had a smooth discussion and we could all reach to some consensus. And I think I believe that, and I think everyone will believe that failures failures are the stepping stone to success. Uh, this proverb, I think, mainly emphasizes the importance of failure in our path, and there were various examples pointed out, like Shilpa pointed out the example of a barber who started a business and got is billionaire now. Prashant also pointed out some movies, some examples like Dangal and Mahabharat, and Danish also pointed a great footballer example. Uh, I think if you look around there are many examples around us, and we can get inspired by any of the examples in our day-to-day life. So I think, yeah, I would like to conclude the discussion with this.
Jayesh, it's your first one.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I won't say much, but yeah, you have good speaking skills. The only way is that you're lacking the sequence right now, right? So
Okay, ma'am.
sequence should be a little better. Conclusion sequence is also missing. There are certain liners that you need to add. Slowly and steadily, you
Mm,
will be improving it out. So that is a way. Otherwise, your level of participation and speaking skills, they were good. Your content was good. Much better was your content was good. But otherwise, your sequence, your way you, the choice of words you needed out, and the liners which you should be addressing one another, that is missing in you.
mm.
That is why from where I judge that it's your first one. Okay. Yeah, Praveen, go ahead with your conclusion now. Unmute your mic, Praveen, first.
Thank you for a healthy discussion on the topic that is state roads do not make skillful driver. And I would like to conclude the topic by uh, adding that by say that skillful driver always uh, attain a skill. Anyone attain a skill after passing through so many hurdles that is not on a straight road. That is not a smooth process. As we have discussed many examples like our politicians, businessmen, and scientists, inventions that are being made that were the scientists, all of has gone through numbers of experiments to surpass that hurdle and to become a skillful leader or a skillful person in their own domain. So, and that has been attained by proper management, proper planning, and all of the things that are required. So every one of us can become a skillful driver, and we can reduce our hurdles by following those leaders or following those principles that a skillful person has followed, and we can attain the zenith of our success. Thank you.
Okay. So, Praveen, same way I've told you that the conclusion is fine. You could add certain liners like who spoke what. That was a way you could have missed it out. Like it would be better. Like Shilpa gave that example, Prasant spoke on that, Jayesh tried to give us this example. So those examples and all that, try to add at least 1-2 quotes in it. ठीक है ज्यादा नहीं but एक दो लोगों के examples ताकि पता चले that you have actually written it out and while you were discussing you were thinking, you were writing. That is just the way you check it out and you present a conclusion. Otherwise, it is fine. So from my side, this time, I would say related to content and all, Shilpa and Jayesh, they were the good ones than all the others. Okay. If I have to rank it out, it will be Shilpa, then Jayesh, and then I would call it out. Praveen and Costa were on the same way, right? So Costa, कुछ questions as the way you asked in between, like first we need to check who is the skillful driver. थोड़ा invalid था. That's not even exact. तो वो हो जाता है कि स्किलफुल ड्राइवर का आ जाएगा, हैज एनीवन फेस सर्टेन सिचुएशंस लाइक स्किलफुल ड्राइवर। आप एक रोड टेस्ट ही लेते हो, ड्राइविंग टेस्ट, एंड प्रवीण यू कुड ऐड दैट लाइनर इन योर इंट्रोडक्शन that we all know that even while having our driving test, it's not on a straight road. We are to go for multiple jumps and all these things that we need to add. Only then we become a skillful driver in our life also. Only then we are given the driving license before we are giving an on spot on the road, right? So these are the liners you could add it out. Clear? Otherwise it was good. थोड़ा कंटेंट पे प्रैक्टिस करो और बाकी को जो जो फीडबैक्स मिले उस पे इम्प्रूव करना। कल फिर से एक होगा टॉपिक, पर कल प्रोबोबियल नहीं होगा, कल इकोनॉमी बेस्ड होगा। क्लियर? Okay, everyone. Chalo. All the best, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Take care.
Ma'am, hello.
Just a second. Praveen, ask your question.
Ma'am, if anyone has counter our opinion or something, then how to recounter? What can we add as a liner for recount? How
yeah,
can we start?
You could say, or respecting your opinion, I do not agree with it, or you can just give a payback to that answer. That is, you have to be, or you can agree with that. If you don't think that कि आप अच्छे से counter नहीं कर सकते, you agree with that person. Yeah, that is a very valid point. I too agree with that statement. And otherwise, you could say it out. If you want to counter it out to respecting your opinion, I would like to state another example. You could state another example. That depends on the situation, actually, right? So you could counter. It is not about like you have to start fighting with one another. It's nothing like fighting. It's just about pointing the good pointers with one another. Yeah.
Ma'am, how many students are there in the
Actually, it is eight. In
in
IOSL last time it was 3 even. You know, like the GDs were being discussed and the 3 students where one was analyzed, but normally it is always 8 in number.
Ma'am, how much per student? How much time we will allot it?
It's not about the timing, Danish. Like one person, every person in your GD, one person will get one observant. Like suppose Praveen is getting different observant, Kaustav is getting different observant, you are being observed by different person. So every person make me a notes of different person in that, in the actual GD. And then it is like you are being analyzed on the way, what kind of a jargons you speak. आपके कुछ basis पे test होता है. What is your fluency? Second is how many, if you are not hyperactive, if you are not hypoactive, ना आपको ज्यादा एक्टिव होना होता है ना कम एक्टिव होना होता है, बैलेंस चाहिए. टाइम्स ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन यू मेक. थर्ड इज द jargons, दैट इज सम apt वर्ड्स. जैसे मैं हर टाइम बोलती हूँ आपको कुछ ऐसे ऐसे वर्ड्स टर्मिनोलॉजीज यूज करते हैं, कई बार आपको टेक्निकल आ जाता है तो आप टेक्निकल टर्मिनोलॉजीज यूज करो अपने जीडी में. तो वो दे ट्राई टू, व्हेन आई से अबाउट हेडर्स, हेडर्स मीन दिस ओनली, कुछ जार्गन्स यूज करना, कुछ पॉइंटर यूज करना, बिकॉज वो आपकी सारी लंबी लाइनें नहीं सुनेंगे, वो आपके कुछ एप्ट पॉइंट सुनेंगे. वो चीजें आपको चेक करनी पड़ती हैं. क्लियर? So all these things you have to analyze. Don't worry, you will learn it about this slowly and steadily. Clear? और कोई प्रॉब्लम? इसके सबके
Ma'am,
डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है भाई, वो पढ़ लिया करो. आई डोंट थिंक आप पढ़ के आते हो. ठीक है? हाँ जी पूछो प्रशांत.
madam, you haven't given feedback for my conclusion, ma'am.
I've not given I've given you the generic one. Praveen, Prasad, whatever you're going. आपका इन बिटवीन
Okay, ma'am.
पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत कम था, बट आपका मैंने ये बोला है कि आपका वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग, हाँ जब आप बोलते हो आप नर्वस दिखते हो. यू थिंक दैट यू
Okay,
आर
ma'am.
थिंकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हाइल यू आर स्पीकिंग. अदरवाइज इट वाज फाइन.
Okay, ma'am.
तो मैंने उसका जनरिक था, मैंने उनका जनरिक रखा क्योंकि बीच में आपकी बहुत कम पार्टिसिपेशन.
Ma'am, language
Okay,
is
ma'am.
barrier or we have to use one language only?
No, that's not any problem. You can use both the languages, and PSUs, both the languages are most welcome. Only in the MBA and the placement cell, one language is there. English is most prominent, but here you can use both the language. Even you can change your pointers. You are agreeing, you can disagree. All these things are okay in it. GT में थोड़ा different होता है. Whenever you are learning for the GT, we'll take some GT sessions. उसमें आपको differences पता चलेंगे. वहाँ पे conclusion सबसे important होता है. GD में intro ज़्यादा important होती है. Clear?
मैम
Yeah, ठीक है. चलो. Okay, guys. Take care. All the best. Bye bye.